Secretary bird. Secretary birds have long legs and feathers that look like pens behind their heads. They stomp on snakes to catch them. They live in African grasslands. Hornbills have big curved beaks with a helmet on top. They make loud calls in the jungle. The mother stays in a tree hole until her chicks grow. Hoopos have orange feathers and black-tipped crests. They fan out their head feathers when excited. Their hoo-hoo call is easy to spot. Bee eater. Bee eaters love catching bees in mid-air. They are colorful with green and yellow feathers. They live in warm, sunny places. Swiftlet. Swiftlets make nests from their saliva. These nests are used to make special soups in some countries. They live in caves near the sea. Weaver bird weavers are tiny but clever. They build hanging nests that swing like baskets. Their bright yellow feathers shine in sunlight. Bowerbird. Bowerbirds decorate their nests with colorful things like flowers or shells. The males build these art galleries to impress females. They are nature's little artists. Bulbuls sing sweetly in gardens. They have small bodies and active tails. They are found in warm countries. Drongos are black birds with forked tails. They are brave and chase away bigger birds. They can copy other animals' sounds. Mina are talkative birds that can mimic human words. They live near people and love to explore. They are full of personality and fun. Kingbirds are small and bold. They chase away larger birds from their trees. Their name shows how brave they are. Thrushes have spotted chests and sweet songs. They love to hop on lawns looking for worms. Their melodies sound like flutes. Warblers are tiny, colorful singers. They move quickly among leaves looking for bugs. Their cheerful songs brighten forests. Titmice are small gray birds with cute crests. They love sunflower seeds and nuts. They are friendly visitors at bird feeders. Nuthatch. Nuthatches can walk upside down on trees. They search under bark for insects. They have short tails and strong legs. Waxwings have smooth, silky feathers and bright tips on their wings. They love berries and often travel in flocks. Their red markings look like wax drops.